Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to talk about how to set the environment variable for Java on your system. Okay, so whenever you install Java JDK on your system, so you cannot write the program instantly. You have to set up the environment variables first of all. Then only you can start scripting in the help of Java. Okay, so I'll show you today how you will be able to set up the environment variable for Java on your system. So to set up the environment variable, first of all, you have to check if Java is properly installed on your system. So first of all, you have to open the command prompt. So on command prompt, you have to write Java -version. Okay, so command is like Java -version. So as you can see here, I have Java version 1.8 in my system. So that means that Java is properly installed in my system, right? But whenever you download and install the JDK on your system, you won't be able to get this kind of initially. You cannot write program initially. So first of all, you have to set up the environment variable. So to set up the environment variable for Java on your system, just search environment variables in the search bar. Okay, and then one pop-up will open. Just click on environment variables. After you click environment variables, another pop-up will open where there will be two sections, that is user variables and system variables. So you don't need to touch the user variables section, just go to system variables sections, and you will see different kind of paths will be present here. Don't change anything, just click on new. Okay, and you can set up the Java path here. You can write the variable name as Java path and the variable value here. Okay, so the variable value will be something like the path where your Java is installed. Okay, so you have to go to your files and folders, then your drive. Okay, so basically my Java is installed over here in the program files. Okay, so this is the path that you have to copy and you have to paste over here. Okay, since I already have the path edited, so as you can see here, this is the path that is present in my system. So you can rename your variable name by anything, and you can input your variable value by the path that is present on your system, and then you can click on OK, right? And then you are good to go. Okay, so this is the process of setting up the environment variables for Java on your system. Thanks for watching the videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.